Hi everyone, I thought I would do a short video to show you how to label your items that you are selling on the member-to-member stand at the National Garden Railway Show. Because I have received a couple questions about this, and I wanted to make sure that everyone knew exactly what to do. So what you will need is you will need some parcel labels, or in the absence of parcel labels, just some thin cardboard will do. I've got a box of candy here that I ate a while ago, and so I'm just gonna cut it open and then just cut myself a couple tags. And then I'm going to take a hole punch because, yeah, you're going to need a hole, and I'm going to put a hole in it so that I can put it did not go very well. Let's try that again. That worked. Maybe trim that a little bit. And then I'm going to poke a hole in it. And you also will need, if you're not buying parcel labels or don't have parcel tags, you'll need some string or some ribbon in order to tie the items on. So what you would do on your tag is, since you should know your items that you're booking in, hopefully, you would then just write here your membership number, and please write it legibly because we need to be able to see this. So my number is, I have a shorter number, I just can't remember it right now. So I had to look up my number, and it gave me my E membership number instead of my other number, so that's fine. Anyway, so that is my membership number, and then I would put a dash, and then I would put 1 because this is the first item I'm selling. And then I would, whatever I've listed the price as, I would then also write that on here. So let's say 10 pounds. So now I've got my tag, and I've got my items. So you don't have to write on the tag what the items are or anything like that. I just need membership number and the amount of money it's been sold for. Then obviously you would have your string, hopefully. Oh, this is difficult. That hole did not turn out right. So then you would take your string, obviously you'd have your string, and then you would just tie your label to your items. And then you're done. You just bring that to us, we check it in, and we're done. Now, this is actually 2 pieces, and I'm worried that they'll get separated. Or like, for example, if I'm selling a locomotive and a controller, I want to make sure that they're both labeled. So in that instance, what you would do is you would take your tag, and you would write on here underneath your item number. You would put 1 of 2. And then you would write yourself a second label, and you would write 2 of 2. Then you could tie those on to each item that you're selling, and that way they will stay together. If somebody picks up one to look at, they'll see on the tag 1 of 2, and then they'll be able to go, oh wait, that goes with this, and pick the second one up. Some people have also asked me what to do if they're selling items that come in plastic bags. Please do not tape your label to the bag. Please do not write on the bag, and please don't use like a piece of masking tape on bags or boxes or anything like that. If you were selling these, I'm gonna just use the same tag because that's just easier for me. What you would do is just tape the string onto the bag, because we need to be able to remove these tags to facilitate paying you. And if we can't remove a tag, like if you wrote on a piece of tape or wrote directly on the bag or box, we can't separate that. So please do make sure that you always use tags and tape them onto your items that are for sale, or obviously tie them on in the instance of items that you can tie them to. And yeah, that is how to label tag, how to do your tags. If you have any additional questions, please don't hesitate to ask me. Obviously I'm on the Facebook group, and you should all have my email address. So just send me an email or put a note up on the Facebook group, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks, everyone.